set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property.
Next, we talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen the guest is required to present photo ID at check-in. Several deals and offers are given outright for this property, along with various plans and payment policy. We are planning to get the link provided in the description. To learn and more details, check description below. We are facing another problem with this property. If you have any with this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you want to understand, you have not subscribed our channel. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So thanks for the video. Stay happy.